Welcome to Smart Start Tutorials. Today, I'm diving into the dynamic world of DevOps, focusing on CI/CD pipelines, Docker, and Kubernetes. First, let's talk about CI/CD pipelines. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. Continuous integration ensures that code changes are automatically tested and integrated into the main branch. This means every time you push code to the repository, it's checked for errors and merged seamlessly. Continuous deployment takes it a step further by automating the release process. This way, updates are delivered to users quickly and efficiently, keeping your software fresh and reliable. Now, on to Docker. Docker has revolutionized the way we build, ship, and run applications. By containerizing applications, Docker ensures they run consistently across different environments. Whether it's your local machine, a testing server, or production, Docker maintains the same environment, which makes development, testing, and deployment more efficient and reliable. Finally, Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a powerful orchestration tool for managing containerized applications. It automates the deployment, scaling, and management of applications, ensuring high availability and reliability. With Kubernetes, handling complex applications becomes a breeze. Imagine scaling your app seamlessly or managing thousands of containers without breaking a sweat. Mastering these DevOps tools, CI/CD pipelines, Docker, and Kubernetes, can significantly enhance your development workflow. Start integrating these tools to improve efficiency, reliability, and scalability in your projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Start Tutorials for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding.